double action, double door. Parametric tool, to draw double action double doors in plan. Run the command, and you are prompted to touch reference intersection, where to place the door. Then show direction to draw the door. Touch opposite wall to find the thickness of your wall. Accept distance from reference point previously picked, or type new value. Door is drawn at reference point, face on wall first picked, and on a new layer called A doors. When you run door command for the first time, door width is set to 1.6 meter. Type W, to type new value, say 2 meters. The door is drawn with the new width, which remains as default for the next doors, until you change width value again. If you select to draw door in the middle of a wall, select the line where to place the door, and touch opposite line of wall. You may type MD, to reverse sight on wall. MD parameter is applied only for the last door, at any time. Draw any double door, in 2 or 3 clicks.